my name's Nina.
And I am Aracely.
And today we're going to teach you how to turn
This.
into this.
So we learned how to unhook them so that you can make them, put them in the order that you'd want them, like rule, elements, and then the story. So it makes more sense.
Or however else that makes sense for you to would do.
Because it doesn't really make sense how they have it now. I'm sure you guys have realized.
So what you need to undo them is a screwdriver.
A quarter. It has to be a quarter.
It can't be anything else. It can't be another screwdriver. It can't
or a
be
penny or a dime. Nope.
or a nickel, because that shit don't fit in there.
And a human. Did we say that?
No.
Oh,
but
yeah,
you do need another person.
You need another person. So if you don't have another human in your house, go knock your neighbor's door, apologize for rolling your eyes at them the other day, and just ask for help because you're going to need it.
So let's get started. So you're going to take your Lawmaster study keys and you're going to give the screwdriver, either you're going to hold the screwdriver or your friend's going to hold the screwdriver, either or. And then you're going to take your quarter and you're going to put the quarter on the colored side.
It has to be on the colored side.
It can't be on the non-colored side. It has to be on the colored side. You take your quarter and you fix it in the little screw. You have to hold tightly while the other person unscrews.
Don't commit a tort.
While doing this.
What would the tort be? Trespass to land. Oh my god.
And remember, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
Oh yeah.
Do not screw right. Do not.
I mean, who would do that?
Yeah. So.
By the way, we go to Yale Law School.
Yeah. Yale. On
The
East
Yale
Coast.
of Arizona. Okay. So you just, it's kind of tricky.
Some of them are kind of trickier than others, but
You just keep going until you can tell.
so as you can see, like really closely, like it's starting to come undone like a little bit.
Just
But
looser.
just keep going.
Not sure why we have to do all this, but
And obviously, if you don't want to reorganize your Lawmaster study keys, you don't have to go through this. But if you obviously do want to reorganize them, then you have to go. So yeah, so I mean, it's coming undone. So you just have to work at it, obviously. So.
I think it works better when we put it down on the table.
Okay. Yeah, this is definitely not a one-person job. I don't know what one person would be able to do this, but
Anyway, you keep going and then you will no longer need the screwdriver or the quarter.
hopefully this gets to that point, but I don't think it's getting to that point today.
You keep going and then you can put them in the order that it makes sense to put them. And then they're actually pretty helpful because when we first opened them, opened our box, we were like, it doesn't make sense to have all the rules here and then all the elements and then all the stories. So that's how we figured out how to unscrew them, and then now we have them rule, elements, story, and it makes a lot of sense, and it's helpful that way.
So I just finished unscrewing it with the screw by myself, but the initial point, you won't be able to do that by yourself. Seriously.
Yeah.
Then you get your screw here, and then the casing to your screw here. So just make sure you keep these together, and voila.
Organize them and then screw it all back in.
Yep. And that's it for today.
And
Well,
like and subscribe and share.
and share. And also happy studying and good luck on the bar.